Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I will guide you on how to fix the Claude account not opening issue. So if your Claude account is not opening, the app keeps loading, or you're stuck on a blank screen, just follow these simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. If the connection seems slow or unstable, try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data or from cellular data back to Wi-Fi. Next, try turning on the airplane mode by tapping on the airplane icon in your control center. Wait a few seconds and then turn it back off again. After that, completely close the Claude app and reopen it. Swipe from the bottom of your screen and remove the app from recent apps. Then open Claude again and check if the issue is fixed. You should also check if the Claude app needs an update. For that, you need to open App Store, search for Claude, and tap on the update button if it appears. If the issue still continues, try offloading the app. For that, you need to go to Settings, then General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Claude app and try offloading the app. Wait for a few seconds and reinstall the app again. If this still does not help, you should try restarting your iPhone by pressing on the power button and the volume button together. Lastly, the problem could be from Claude servers. If the servers are down or under maintenance, the account may not open properly for some times. So those were some easy ways to fix the Claude account not opening issue on iPhone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.